In this video we're reviewing the Plutus Crypto Card, a debit card that lets you earn crypto rewards on everyday spending. Here's what you should know before using it. The Plutus card offers crypto cashback, up to 3% in PLU, Plutus native token, on every purchase. Holding more PLU tokens can increase your cashback and unlock perks like discounts at Amazon, Netflix, Apple and Uber. The card has a monthly fee ranging from €6.99 to €19.99, and ATM withdrawals or foreign transactions may incur additional charges. It's currently available in the EU and UK, but not in other regions like Pakistan. There are some important considerations. You need to convert your crypto to fiat via Plutus DX before spending, which can take time and may include fees. The card only supports ETH and PLU, so other cryptocurrencies must be converted first. Some users also report slow customer support responses. Overall, the Plutus Crypto Card is best for crypto enthusiasts who want rewards in ETH or PLU and shop online frequently. If you're a casual user or outside supported regions, it may not be ideal. Subscribe for more honest crypto and finance app reviews to spend smarter.